What if you could start your day feeling refreshed and energized with gentle seated stretches you can do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 14-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed especially for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to feel more ease in their body without having to get down on the floor. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body with a diagonal stretch. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through both feet. Place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw opposite shoulder to knee. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, waking up the energy of your chest, shoulders, back, and legs. Pausing at center, moving into torso circles. With an inhale, gently circle your torso forward and around. Exhale, circle back. Continue flowing at your own pace, making this movement as big or as small as comfortable, creating more space and ease through your shoulders, chest, spine, and legs. Stay connected to your smooth, even breath as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance, moving into a gentle side body stretch. Place your right forearm to your right thigh, reach your left arm overhead, sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh. Repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing at your own pace, creating more space and ease through your arms, shoulders, spine, and side body. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance, moving into a forward bend variation. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And on your exhale, gently fold forward from your hip creases, sweeping your arms towards the earth. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged and your legs active with your knees over your ankles, pressing your thighs open, allowing this energizing movement to wake up your arms, shoulders, back, and legs. Pausing and upright, maintain your wide stance. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center. Exhale, gently twist. Continue gently rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Moving into a side crunch variation. Maintain your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your elbows wide, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at the top. Exhale, reach one arm towards the earth, flexing through your side body. Continue flowing from right to left. With each exhale, focus on squeezing and contracting through your side body, activating your obliques while improving flexibility and lateral core strength. Release and go ahead and step your feet back to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you're sitting a little taller, feeling a little more refreshed and more energized for your day. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to Happy Yoga On Demand, where we have this series plus hundreds of episodes for every level, and you can cancel anytime. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.